Do you always complain that your people are showing very casual approach? Your employees are not taking ownership of their work. Do you feel that your employees just think that whatever instruction you give, they should do that much? Do you know what is the reason behind that? The reason behind this is you never allowed them to understand this organization belongs to them or they belong to this organization. That connect was never formed. Maybe it was due to you never tried to build rapport with them or you never allowed them to build rapport with your organization. The day they started their work, you just give them the target, goal, and you ask them, okay, if you complete this task, if you accomplish this goal, you will stay in this organization or otherwise you will be fired. If you set such kind of expectation, people work with too much of negativity, their mind becomes completely negative and they work under tremendous pressure and fear. This pressure and fear takes away their positivity, and once the positivity goes, enthusiasm goes, and once enthusiasm and positivity goes, hope goes. There is no hope in their life to do well and to get the result. They always look for how to do the things, just do it because this is something that has been asked. Then what is the way out? You need to first build rapport with them. You need to develop some likability factor that they should like you, they should love you, they should connect with you. At the same time, they must learn to connect with the organization. Then they believe that yes, this organization belongs to them, this is like their own work, and then they take every work as if it is their own personal fulfillment. And on this note, what happens? Sense of responsibility goes high. And once sense of responsibility goes high, they feel that yes, they are accountable for action. They take complete accountability and ownership. Do you know, once a sense of responsibility comes, accountability comes, and ownership comes, blame diminishes.